Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss a simple problem related to loop that can be asked in contest and as well as campus programming also. Problem name says counting frog paths. So, there is a frog initially placed at the origin of the coordinate plane. In exactly 1 second, the frog can either move up 1 unit, move right 1 unit, or stay still. So, in simple word, we have a frog which is initially who is initially placed at the origin of the coordinate plane, and origin of the coordinate plane will be 0 0, as we all know. In exactly 1 second, frog can move in the right direction, frog can move to the upper side, and frog can stay still also. So after 1 second, if we will discuss it mathematically, so after 1 second, if the frog's position will be xy initially, so x plus 1 comma y can be the position, x y plus 1 can be one of the position, and xy can be a position. After t seconds, a blazer who sees the frog reports the frog lies on or inside a square of side length s. After t seconds, a blazer reports that frog can be inside a square of side s. So the positions of square can be x comma y, x plus s comma y, x y plus x plus s comma y plus s. Now calculate how many positions with integer coordinates or inside this square could be the frog's position after t seconds. So we need to calculate that how many total points can be there in a square where frog can lie after exactly t seconds. So to summarize this problem, I will again explain this problem. There is a frog which is initially placed at the origin, that is 0 0. After t second, we have to find out that how many total points can be there where a frog can be played. The conditions are that after 1 second, frog can either move up 1 unit, move right 1 unit, or stay still. So we will have four different inputs in this particular problem: x, comma y, comma s, comma t. X represent the x axis coordinate, y represent coordinate of y axis, s represent side of square, and t represent total time after which we have to calculate total points where frog can be. Output format, so we have to print the total number of points with integer coordinates that could be the frog's position after t seconds. So we have to print a single integer where we have to count total number of points where frog can be. This is a sample input like 2 2 3 3, 2 2 3 and 6. So 2 2 3 and 6 means this 2 represent the x-axis coordinate, then again 2 y-axis coordinate, then 3 will be the side of a square, and 6 will be after 6 seconds we have to count how many total positions can be there where frog can lie. Output of this particular situation and this particular input will be 6. So to understand this, we are taking this diagram. So you can understand that we had a coordinate axis. So 0 0 will be the initial positions, 0 comma 0, and initially frog will be on 0 comma 0. Then question says that after t seconds how many points can be there after t seconds. So the frog's position will be x comma y. We will start making a square from x comma y because question says that xy will be the position of frog. So value of xy is 2 comma 2 in given input, yes or no? 2 comma 2 is the value of frog's positions. So from the frog's positions x comma y, we will draw this square. So the side of square was 5 because s was given as 5. So what we have done, the coordinate of square will be x comma y, then x plus s comma y, then this coordinate will be x y comma s, x comma y plus s, and this coordinate can be x plus s comma y plus s. So this will be the whole diagram or graph by which we can understand this problem. So frog is on xy, that is 2 comma 2. Then after t second, we have to find out that how many total points can be there where frog can be placed. So we have to draw this particular square. So after t second, the coordinates of square will be x plus s comma y, x y plus s, x plus s y plus s, and xy. Now after t second, we have to find out total positions where a frog can be. So for t, t is given as 6. So after 6 seconds, we have to find out total points where frog can be. So on this position, can frog be there after 6 seconds? So yes. Why? Because we will calculate frog's movement from 0 0. So initially we will consider that frog will move from 0 comma 0. Okay. So from 0 comma 0, frog will move 2 seconds to right hand side and 2 seconds to upper side. So total 4 seconds will be there to reach this position. So frog can reach on this particular point. Frog can reach on this point also because 3 seconds on x-axis and 2 seconds on y-axis. Frog can reach on this point also because 4 seconds on x-axis and 2 seconds on y-axis. Frog can reach on this position also because 2 seconds on x-axis and 3 seconds on y-axis. Frog can reach on this second also because 2 seconds on x-axis and 4 seconds on y-axis. Frog can reach on this position also because 3 seconds on x-axis and 3 seconds on y-axis. So total 6 positions are there where frog can reach. So frog can't be reach on this point. Why? Because to reach on this particular point, frog have to move on 5 unit on x-axis and 2 unit on y-axis. So total time will be there 5 plus 2, that is 7. That is greater than to 6. So frog can't reach on this particular point after 6 seconds. So how will you write code for this particular problem? So this is a very simple problem. We will just add on the x-axis coordinate and y-axis coordinate, and if x plus y will be greater than or equal to 2, then we can reach on that particular point. So to solve this problem, we have imported import java.util.star public class main. So we have created main method. Then we have created object of scanner class, scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. Then we have to take input of 4 different variables x, y, s and t. So I have written int x equal to sc.next, int y equal to sc.next, int similar for s and t. Sorry. And I have initialized a counter variable, that is 0, counter equal to 0. After that, we have simply written for loop for int I equal to x. So we will start that loop from x. Then if I will be lesser than or equal to x plus s, so we will increment the I. Then in inner loop, we will write an inner loop for jth position also or for y coordinate also. So we will initialize this from int j equal to y, and if j is lesser than equal to y plus s, we will continue it, and we will update after every iteration j by 1. Inside that inner loop, we will write a condition if I plus j is lesser than equal to t. So counter plus plus will be there. Otherwise, we couldn't reach on that particular point if I plus j will not be lesser than or equal to t. At the last, we will print counter. So in counter variable, we will have the total number of points where frog can be placed after t second. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.